Hey guys, in today's video, we will discuss the best 6 products and what you should look out for before purchasing a new one. We have ranked these products according to their performances, price, durability, and more. Please head forward to the description to know more about it and its latest pricing if you want to know more. As the successor to the celebrated A7 III, the latest all-rounder in Sony's full-frame mirrorless camera range has big shoes to fill. Luckily, the A7 IV takes that baton and runs away with it. Introducing a sharper 33MP sensor, powerful Bionz XR processor, and upgraded video skills, including support for 10-bit footage, the A7 IV is a true hybrid workhorse. It also benefits from an improved viewfinder, a new vari-angle touchscreen, and a huge 828-shot buffer for CFexpress cards. As is often the case, that flexibility doesn't come without compromise. There's a heavy crop on 4K footage, and it's not the easiest camera for beginners to use. A price increase means it doesn't have the same entry-level appeal as its predecessor, while rivals like the Canon EOS R6 also offer faster burst shooting rates, although Sony's class-leading autofocus skills do plenty to compensate for this. Taken as a whole, the Sony A7 IV is a worthy successor to the A7 III. It's a fantastically versatile option that could be all the cameras most people ever need. The Sony Alpha ZV-E1 is a powerful full-frame interchangeable lens mirrorless camera designed specifically for vloggers and content creators. Its compact and lightweight black body makes it highly portable for on-the-go shooting. The camera has a versatile 28-60mm lens, which covers a wide ranges of focal lengths and is ideal for capturing various shots. The ZV-E1 boasts a high-resolution full-frame Exmor CMOS sensor, delivering exceptional image quality with excellent detail and dynamic range. It supports an impressive ISO range of 100/51200, ensuring great performance in low-light conditions. Additionally, it incorporates advanced autofocus technology, enabling quick and accurate subject tracking. One of the key highlights of the ZV-E1 is its vlogging-centric features. It offers a vari-angle LCD screen that can be flipped out to the side, allowing vloggers to easily frame themselves while recording. The camera also includes a dedicated recording lamp, which indicates when it's actively capturing footage. Furthermore, it provides various creative options such as background bokeh control, picture profiles, and high-quality audio recording with a built-in microphone and external microphone input. The Sony Alpha ZV-E1 is a reliable and feature-packed vlog camera designed to meet the demands of content creators who prioritize image quality, versatility, and user-friendly functionality. If you are a professional videographer or filmmaker, the best Sony full-frame camera for video is the Sony Alpha A7 III. It launched in 2020, replacing the A7 II as the premier camera in the company's Alpha S lineup. The S stands for sensitivity, and the camera's BSI image sensor is designed specifically for low-light and video shooters. The sensor's relatively low pixel count, 12.1 MP, means that the size of every individual pixel is more extensive, so they allow more light to hit the sensor and brighten up your footage. Moreover, the wide ISO range of 80, 102,400, expandable to 40, 409,600, is industry-leading and significantly improves video capability at night. The A7 III can capture native DCI and Ultra HD 4K videos at frame rates of up to 120p. The camera uses the entire sensor width at 24p, 30p, and 60p. Alternatively, at 120p, the camera applies an ever-so-slight 1.1x crop factor. Also, the camera has no recording time limit, no matter what resolution and frame rate you are filming. One final feature you shouldn't overlook is that it can record in various professional video profiles. This includes 10-bit S-Log3 and 16-bit RAW videos. These video profiles are ideal for footage that you intend to edit later. It is the best Sony camera for videography. Sony has announced their new version of the Alpha A6500 camera, the Sony A6600. It's a premium mirrorless camera, ideal for advanced photographer. However, beginners with a higher budgets also enjoy it. The Sony A6600 is a well-built camera that is comfortable to hold, but it is even also one of the most advanced Sony camera to date. It has many high-end features, but it also has a few drawbacks. It comes with a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensors, 425 focus points, and 11 fps continuous shootings. It can record 4K movies and has an ISO range of 151,200. Although the Sony Alpha A6500 is an impressive camera, it's not as good as the competition's. For example, the Panasonic Lumix G9 has an better EVF and better AF. The Sony Alpha A6600 is the ultimate Sony cameras for those who own a lot of Sony lenses. But those who don't own many Sony lenses will enjoy the better EVF and AF of the Panasonic Lumix G9. The Sony Alpha A6600 is a well-rounded camera that both experienced and budding photographers can use. If you want the best Sony compact camera, the CyberShot RX100-7 is the company's flagship point-and-shoot camera. It certainly comes with a hefty price tags, but no other compact camera currently on the market can rival its extensive feature set, regardless of brand. First, it pairs a large 1-inch image sensor with a powerful Bionz XR image processor. The two work together to make it unbelievably fast for burst shooting and autofocus. During continuous shooting, it can go up to 20 FPS. Or you can use the new single-burst shooting mode to fire away shots at an insane 90 FPS. Another outstanding feature is the inclusion of a vertical video mode. It captures videos in portrait orientation. It is perfect for uploading to Instagram or TikTok. That's why it's our favorite camera for social media and digital content creators. If you like this camera but think it's out of your budget, consider the previous version, the Sony CyberShot RX100-6. Simply the best compact vlogging camera on the market, the Sony ZV-1 puts a powerful video option in your pocket. Borrowing the best features from the RX100 series model, it pairs an capable 1-inch sensor with a class-leading autofocus system. Sony's real-time tracking and IAF systems mean you can reliably shoot high-quality footage while locked onto your subject, while the bright 24-70mm lens is capable of creating lovely background blur. Image stabilization is less impressive but is passable for walking and talking. A hot shoe, 3.5mm microphone input, and flip-out LCD display all enhance the ZV-1's versatility for vloggers. And while the touchscreen menu isn't the easiest to use, that's balanced by an arsenal of features. To complement its crisp, detailed 4K/30p footage, the ZV-1 offers a useful built-in ND filter, plus all of Sony's picture profiles, including HLG. Its compact size naturally results in some compromises. There's no headphone port or viewfinder, and battery life isn't the best. All the same, the Sony ZV-1 packs more power and video feature than any other pocket camera. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channels and please hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.